Let's go, man. It's Big CLBJ back at it again. So today we're going to cut my boy DJ Locks off. Shout out to him. He's going to the military. So, well, he's going to boot camp first. But, we want to go ahead and pre-cut his hair so he can go ahead and adapt to it. So I'm starting off at the back with my wall vapors. So what I'm doing now is I'm just cutting the length. I'm cutting close enough to where it's mainly like detached, meaning like it's not matted up to his scalp. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna shampoo his hair, shampoo and condition his hair right afterwards. I'm basically just prepping it right now. So as you see, I cut it where the new growth was. I'm gonna pick it out. I went ahead and shampooed and conditioned his hair. I'm about to make sure that it's fully dry. Then I'm gonna blow dry it. Then I'm gonna pick it out, and then I'm gonna go over it again to his desired length, which will be wave length. And then we're gonna do a temp fade, and then he wants to go with enhancements to make sure he's, adapting to his new look. So as you see, I went ahead and shampooed and conditioned his hair. Now I'm just blow drying and picking it out, just so I can go ahead and make sure everything is clean and dry. As you see, it's still uneven, so that's why I want to make sure I'm looking at everything by picking it out and blowing it out too. So as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and cut his hair. Try to make everything the same length as much as possible, since his hair is so used to just growing straight out the top, since he's been having his locks for a long time now. So we're just trying to make his hair adapt to everything, the new transition. So as you see, I'm using a 1.5 right there. I'm going to eventually go with the 1 close though. So I'm going against the grain with the 1.5 just to try to balance it out as much as we can. I know it's going to be hard to try to fully make it even, but we're just trying to get that. See, I'm going against the grain just to kind of balance it out to make it more even. It's the difference from going with the grain and against the grain. So as you see, I'm just staying consistent. I'm going to go over it multiple times. I'm just seeing what I'm working with. You see there's different spots where we got to work on to try to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. So as I comb it out, I'm just going at it more and more to try to get closer to that desired length, as if everything is fully even. But as his hair start forming like that, it would eventually lay all the way down. So as you see, I'm just working with the crown area. I'm blowing the extra hair off now. And then soon I'm about to go ahead and start with the taper. I'm going to lever fully close, open, halfway, 1 guard close, half guard close. As you can see, I'm debulking. I went ahead and opened up my lever and stuff. Now I'm using my trimmers to line them up. Remove all the excess hair. Now I'm starting with the nape area, same way. Lever fully closed, lever open. Right there, halfway. Just detailing as I go so I can speed up the process. Now I'm using my 1 guard. Fully closed, and then I usually go with the half guard afterwards, or sometimes I open up the 1 guard to stretch the blend. As you see, I'm just keeping where his natural line is. Just flowing real natural, real smooth. Looking real smooth, real good transition. Really good blend. So now I'm about to start on this other side. Lever fully closed, off rip, and then I'm gonna go open, then halfway. Fully closed right there, as you can see. Open it, then I went ahead and used my 1 guard, as you can see too. I closed it fully, and then I opened it up, and then I used my half guard. Now I'm using my trimmers to line them up. Very quick process, very smooth. It didn't take long to cut him. I damn near feel like I was cutting like this fast for real. As you see, I'm lining up his mustache and his beard. Even though he got to cut it off as soon as he get over there. But, you know. Next client right there, my boy AJ. It's crazy, bro. AJ just walked in. I'm BJ and he's DJ. I just realized that. So I'm lining him up natural first, just to see what I'm working with, as you can see. Keeping his line low because he had locks. You know, you don't want it to push it back at all because it was already like forming by getting pulled back from the style and all of that stuff too. So as you see, I line him up natural, then I'm gonna do the enhancements. Real clean lineup. He could have went like that, but I know how it is, like transitioning from a lot of hair to, you know, low. So I'm hitting him with enhancements, real smooth, not too much going on. Making sure I balance everything out. Not going too heavy on enhancements. I do not like that Sharpie look. Very smooth transition. Look at that. Just gotta stay consistent. Now I'm using the fibers to keep it more of a natural look. Just like that. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at bj.cuts with 2 Z's. Let's go.